If you want to automate your bookkeeping and save time, connecting your bank account to Xero is a smart move. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to connect a bank account to Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. This allows your transactions to be imported automatically, making reconciliation faster and more accurate. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Accounting menu. From there, select Bank Accounts. This is where you can manage all your connected bank feeds. Next, click on Add Bank Account. In the search bar, type the name of your bank and select it from the list. Xero supports many banks for direct connections, depending on your country. After selecting your bank, you will be prompted to connect your account. Enter your online banking credentials and follow the authentication steps. This may include OTP verification or additional security checks depending on your bank. Once connected, choose the specific account you want to link, such as savings or current account. Confirm your selection to complete the connection. If your bank does not support direct feeds, you can still import transactions manually. Download your bank statement in CSV or OFX format and upload it into Xero using the import option. After connecting your account, transactions will start appearing automatically in Xero, usually within a few hours or days. You can then go to the reconciliation screen and begin matching transactions. Make sure to review your transactions regularly to ensure everything is accurate. Proper setup will help you maintain clean and up-to-date financial records. In short, connecting a bank account to Xero involves adding your bank, authenticating your account, selecting the correct account, and importing transactions automatically or manually. Now that you understand the process, connect your bank account to Xero and simplify your accounting workflow. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.